What's going on, everybody? Slang Dutchman here, and today it's time to fix the Volvo rear lights because as it turns out, the 200, 700, 900 series of Volvos, they're indestructible except wiring in general, but the rear lights have a little issue where they seem to short out because the bulb can't really handle the power that's going through it, or like the framework is just plastic. So I've already checked if it's my pedal, but if the car is off like this, I can hit the brake pedal, they light up. So that all works, but as soon as I put it on contact, it goes on, and with the brake pedal as well. So there's something going on there. Now, easy fix, some people say you can take the wiring from the brake light and wire it up into the fog light, since you don't use them as much. Also, this car doesn't by law have to have fog lights here for the MOT. So I'm just gonna route them to there. So this is gonna be my normal rear lights, and then the top ones are gonna be my brake lights. Hope that works, but let me show you how it is now. So I don't know what's going on here, but it seems like that one was working. I couldn't really see if that one was working, but I'm gonna look it back on the camera now. If that is the case, there is something wrong with the wiring, and I'm still gonna continue and do that mod because, you know, one day it's working, the next day it's not working. That's not safe. I mean, these Volvos are tanks, and I'll be safe if my brake lights don't work. I mean, I'm all the way up there. But the family that's gonna hit the back of this, they're not gonna survive. So let's do this for everyone else's safety. Now, the way you go through this is the little thing here. You open up, and then you can see the whole unit sitting there behind. There's one little nut there, and then there's two nuts there on the, if the light works there, two little nuts there on the bottom. So we're gonna take those out because it's a little bit of a pain in the ass to do it here, and you know, if I take it out, it's easier to show you guys. So I've taken all the bolts out. If you take out this section that lays here, this one, wait, you can't even see it. If you take out the corner panel here, there's two holes here, so you can access those bottom ones easily. Now the light should be coming out, and it does. Already one wire hanging loose. What is this? Shit. This doesn't even seem original. Jesus. I mean, I know I wired it up last time, but nothing else, and just take the whole unit out and plug it back in. Never changed any wiring, but oh well, here we go. Put it this way. I'm happy that I have the camera though. So let's see what it does now when I turn power on. That is a very obvious brake light. So as it turned out, it's a very easy mod to do. Don't have that much room now behind it, but let me just explain what I just did. This is the whole rail, if that makes any sense. Ground wire, or like the tail light wire. This whole strip is ground, the metal strip that you see. That's all ground, and all I did is the yellow wire, this one, was on here giving the signal for the brake. Now that one's just apparently fucked. Took the wire off, put it on the one of the fog light, and it works. I have a normal light, and also, to be honest, having just that corner bottom light that just shines a little bit brighter, and it's so small, that little light. So I think this is also a good mod to do. Even though they're fog lights and people are going to be blinded, they know I will brake. I don't have a third brake light, so I think this is very good, simple, easy mod. So I'm gonna hang this thing back in, and then when that is done, do the other one, and then I'll show you guys the final result. So I'm done wiring. It's all pretty dark in here because, you know, interior everything is all black. But let me just put the camera here in a safe way. There we go. Normal lights. I would say that's a pretty good result. If you can make it better than Volvo self did, then you did a pretty good job, I would say. So yeah, done. Safe and sound to go on the road again. Rear brake lights, everything works. So now there's just one more thing to do. That's just to hand this over to my girlfriend and take the Civic from her, so we can start building that basically. It's a long way from done, but there's little steps, progress videos. Hopefully I can maintain the weekly schedule a little bit again, but December, Christmas, everything. So for everyone watching, this is probably around the holidays. I had no theme for it, but you know, happy holidays. Please like, subscribe. See you guys in the next video, probably next year. Thanks for watching. Peace.